I picked up some Miracle Grow Leaf Shine from Lowe's because they had it on sale and I've never tried it before. And we have some pothos in our entryway that desperately needed some leaf shine. What I did is just sprayed it pretty liberally on the leaves, and I took a paper towel and I just went one by one cleaning each individual leaf. Now, there's two pothos that we're going to clean in this video. This first one wasn't as dirty, but you'll see just a little bit of the cleaning up really made a difference. Now let's move on to the much larger and much filthier pothos. You'll see that these leaves are completely caked with dust and dirt. So back to the leaf shine, and once again I'm just going to spray the leaves very liberally. And this time I actually sprayed the paper towel as well, just to really get a lot of that leaf dust off. And you'll notice as I'm wiping these, I am also holding the back of the leaf for support, just to make sure that I'm not snapping any leaves, as I am applying quite a bit of pressure to clean these off. And already we're seeing a big difference. So let's keep going. And this is a time-consuming process. It takes a lot of time, especially when you have a large pothos with several leaves, but I promise it's worth it. Look here at this halfway shot. You can already tell what a difference this leaf shine is making. So let's look at the before and after. We went from totally blah to absolutely beautiful. I'm sure there are tons of different ways that you can shine leaves. I usually just use water, but I really love this product.